welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are gonna play internet flight, and we are on a airport named KSF2, but we will start from KSF only. Where is it? It's right here in field 10L. We are gonna fly Boeing 737. Next video we are gonna fly 1447. Oh, so guys, we got our plane. Guys, let's go. The perfect approach. Let's go. It's beautiful. We are gonna do a big butterfly. And then take like this. At the bottom left corner you can see there is a map. Let's see where we should be. Let us another capture. Okay, let's test the landing process. Everything here.
100, 50, 30, 10.
Okay, good landing. Park brakes. And we are also gonna land passengers. Yeah. Guys, I will meet you when I will go in the location after 5 years. Guys, in front I have the head the passenger. The back turn off the engine. And there we light, beacon light, store light, running light, emergency light, electricals, everything open. Let's just see what we like. The cargo, catering, packs, and ground power system. The packs with work color. Need to wait for it. Another 1000 years. We can wait. Everything is going was also good. Landing gear also in Mexico. Everything. We are standing. Let's open this and go outside. Fix the okay. So the air Mexico was good. We will try another plane very soon for the time. Airbus Airbus 21-200. Yes. No, my time is went. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye. In another video, another part, we are gonna fly the Boeing 747 and Airbus 21-200. Bye.